Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the new and improved 2025 Ford Expedition Platinum Max. Coming in this nice new wild green coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Stealth package and the Driver package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, backup camera, nice little roof spoiler. We do get a split lift gate as well, so you can open from the top or the bottom, which allows you to have tons more storage, but we'll get to that later. And you can just easily click it back up if you just need the top, which is pretty freaking handy. And to close, all you have to do is hit that button and it will close automatically. That nice green coloring along the vehicle with roof rails. We do get power deployable running boards, which is nice. They're also gripped and will go back up when you close the door. Side view camera, turn light, and blind spot detection. And moving to the front real quick, we do get front park sensing, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of more cargo space. You have your lights, you can collapse your last row from here, and they will go down automatically, and you can bring them back up. You have more storage there. We have 12-volt USB-Cs, 120-volt, and capabilities to put things up for more, like a workbench or whatever. There you go, it's all up for you. Go click that. We'll let it do its thing. You get more storage underneath, as well as right there as well, with tons of storage on the side here with USB-Cs and cup holders. Taking a look on the inside, we do get a pretty spacious vehicle with seating for up to 7 people. We got this nice perforated black leather interior, plenty of door space in the back, B&O sound system. You got leathering on the door, and these seats are adjustable. You got a step to get to the back, and you just click there and it will go up automatically. You do get quite a bit of leg room for the back 3 passengers, cup holders, all that jazz, which is all pretty handy. You do get some outlets in front of you, some USB-Cs, storage of course, more USB-Cs over there, cup holders, your own climate controls, heated captain's chairs, and 120-volt just right there. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. We get this nice platinum logo on the seats though. Plenty more door space up front, powered door mirrors, the leathering, we got that B&O sound system, we got our 4-wheel drive modes, your lift gate, and lights all on your left hand side, and we got the new looking dash. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 86 kilometers. Nope, my bad, that's distance empty. It's actually, if we can see it here, 160 kilometers. We got this nice new looking steering wheel. It's kind of touchscreen, so you can kind of see it from where I'm at. And you can just scroll through different settings. Same with here for your cruise control. All just right there. And we do get BlueCruise, which is Ford self-driving. Wireless charging pad with some storage. Pro Trailer Assist, you got your outlets right there. It does close for a nice sleek look. Cup holders, the Expedition logo. Some nice little detailing on the dash here. Engine start, trailer brake. And we got this nice new looking center console that does open by just pressing this button. It's kind of like a secret storage there. And put it back like normal. Pretty nice. And you do get your normal center console as well with tons of storage and a 12-volt. Gear select, volume, auto stop, auto start, park assist, hazards, and 360 view of the vehicle. Oh, traction and hill. You got storage below. A nice dash where you can put things on or leave it off for a nice sleeker look. All up to you. We have a nice twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and a garage door transmitter right there. And looking at our main screen here, the system is powered by Google, which is pretty nice. You can add a phone, personal profiles, audio, and notifications. You got your climate controls up front with heated and cooled front seats, automatic, heated steering wheel, dual climate, all that jazz. I'm gonna go into audio, which has AM, FM, ooh, I don't want to hear that, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM by just clicking here, or you have Google News or whatever you have downloaded there. And your settings for the vehicle, which has auto hold, driver memory, so you just click here and you can set it from here as well by just going through all this. So this will be saved, or you can restore it, all that jazz. Brightness, lighting, rear climate lock, settings, status, all that jazz. You can play with your lift gates and fiddle with the vehicle right there. All your apps will be here with your Google Maps, Play Store, Assist, phone, Sirius XM, towing, Hotspot, games, YouTube, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, all that fun stuff, and you get little widgets for this screen up here. So I'm just gonna click the weather, and it's gonna show up right there if you can kind of see it. It's hard to see with the film there, but you get the gist. Clicking here, well, I'm just gonna show you another one, media controls. So now your media and whatever you're playing will be up there as well. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EA01656, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.